Hello everybody. Hello everybody. You might notice something different about my operating system right now. It's Windows 7 for testing purposes only. Build 7000. Now I don't have internet on it, but this is just a quick review of Windows 7 beta, which was released from Microsoft today, January 9th, 2009. Basically, when you first get it, now I wouldn't use this as the main operating system because it expires in August, but when you first get it, you will notice that it looks like this. Basically, not like this exactly, but down here is the start menu here. You may saw some videos of it, but this is a live video. It's Snipping Tool. This is ultimate, by the way. Here is the Snipping Tool. If I click new, see, it looks just like the Mac because I can drag it and take the picture of my desktop. And also, if I wanted to, I could do this. I can highlight it, high, or I can use a custom built pen, L, O, L. It gets built in like that, as you can tell, and you can take the eraser and you can just erase it, like that. Erase it all. But basically, yeah, that's Windows 7 snippet tool. Now they completely redid the paint. So this is what paint looks like right now with Windows 7. Um, Here you can select the shapes that you want, which it looks like you can do speech bubble. That's a speech bubble. Let me do another one for you. Speech bubble. And here you can resize it the size that you want it. You can take the eraser just like in normal paint and erase it, or go to wherever the file new is. I don't know where that is, but basically this is it. I like it a lot. Windows 7. Just there's new. That's the new right there, up there. You can click that, and I click don't save. You can fill it, like, oops, I still have the eraser selected. You can select the paint bucket. You can do like fill. You can fill it just like normal paint. You can add strokes, just like Photoshop, which is kind of neat. You can select the color as well, which I'm basically new to this as well because I just got this today. But basically, that's the paint option in Windows 7. Now, if I click Don't Save, it won't save it. Now, I can go to right-click my screen here and click on Gadgets. Now, basically, this is like the Windows Vista gadgets. You can have the clock, which will appear here, the calendar, which will appear in the same spot, CPU meter, and just the weather, which I don't have internet on it, but basically that's it. You can like resize it. I don't really see the sidebar on it, but they said you could do something with the tabs. But if I click on personalize, I can change the desktop background, which when you first get Windows 7, it'll look like this is what Windows 7 will look like. And you may have seen this background in some of the videos I do, but that's pretty much that. Now here, if you like, you can make it Windows Classic. If you like blackness, I guess you can make it black, like that, which I personally don't think that looks neat. But you can switch back to the basic. But now, once it's doing this, if I click on Windows Classic, I don't know. This is just my Look at, does that look like Windows Classic to you? Does this bar right here look exactly like Windows Classic? I mean, it looks cooler than Windows Classic. And I can just like stop what I'm doing if I press Show Desktop. Everything minimizes. I just have to personalize open, but basically, I like the current theme, the Windows 7 Basic. I am running this in a virtual box, but you can select a custom color. You can make it red and all that stuff. The preview's over there. Now if I click cancel, you can modify the sounds of it. Asterisk, which I can't test it because, as I said, virtual box. Gotta like it. Here's the screensavers. The 3D text, which it doesn't show it because the VirtualBox Aurora effect. Now, basically, what I can do is the Windows logo, which I'm gonna gladly preview or for you. The Windows logo right there, Windows 7, and then it does that nice cool effect here. But I do like it, and I can also you can change your account picture. Here's the list of available pictures. That's my username. Here's the pictures, and you can browse. You can click browse and select your own pictures through here, picture library. Other than that, you can right click my computer, go to properties. You can see it's by default it's Windows 7 Ultimate. Microsoft doesn't have the project keys right now, but yeah, you can send your feedback of how you think of Windows Vista 7. You can choose like, I loved it, no problem. I didn't know how to get started. It seemed to be broken. I finished, but I think the experience could be improved. Hello. You can say something right there as well. And you can click send. Which I don't have that option. Which is probably because I don't have a topic, but you can select the topic and you can send it, cancel. Which I'm not going to do because I don't want to abuse that, but you can do this. You can view, and then you can deselect show desktop icons and they go away really fast. Show desktop icons, auto arrange, which I only have like 2. Now, other than that, if I go into sticky notes, this is the sticky notes here. I can put them on my screen. Like, go to store at 5 p.m. And I can select go to the store at 5 p.m. and just have it be a sticky note. I can add sticky notes, basically add the sticky notes in a orderly fashion. Looks nice. No, I don't want to. Basically, that's it. I like it. Yes, I can delete all the notes. I can't delete them all at once. And then basically, you have that send feedback button everywhere because Microsoft wants your feedback because they will discontinue this project of Windows 7 probably if they don't get your feedback. But that's the Sticky Notes app. Now here's the calculator, which I didn't really explore, but they redesigned it a bit too. That's just the theme for Windows Ultimate 7. But 2 plus 2 equals 4, of course. Now here's the recycle bin. I just wanted to get to the Explorer, but just like in Windows Vista, oh, if you don't notice, that thing glows if you hover over, but just like in Windows Vista, you can search. I want to search for Explorer. And here's Windows Explorer right there, and it takes you to this looking page. You can, your documents, music, sample music, pictures, sample pictures, which is nice, and your videos, your computer, which I have 19.4 gigabytes on my Ultimate. It's not activated, but just a view of what it looks like. Also, device and printers. You can see what's connected to your computer. And you can right click it and you click those display settings from the monitor. And this is the default printer by default for Windows 7. Also, it comes with Windows Media Center, which I'm gladly opening it up for you. Gladly opening up Windows 7 for you. Here I go. Here's Windows Media Center. Now, to me, it looks like the Zune. Which, if I go to continue, if I click custom, this I'm just basically setting up. Woo! Excuse me, but I'm basically setting up the media center. And I click cancel because I don't want to actually do it all the way in this video. Actually, I don't have internet, so. But basically, it looks just like the Zune interface. Pictures and videos. Picture library. You can also do live TV, but there's a bug. Froze. very nice bug right there, I would say. Yeah. Start Task Manager. You can also right click and start your Task Manager. Now I'm just going to go ahead and look at the CPU usage, by the way. 36 processes, and it's using 4%. That could be because I'm in the virtual box, but 74% as well for that.